You're welcome to the NATI guide. In today's video, I'll be talking about a command line to use to query DNS servers to retrieve information about domain names, IP addresses, and other domain name system related information. This online tool is called nslookup.io. This is how it looks like. And it also helps you to find all DNS records for a particular domain name. I'm going to do an illustration by just typing any domain name in the search bar. I'm going to type Google. I can see some suggestions below and I'll click on Google. When I do that, I get to see some information about this particular domain name. I have Cloudflare, I have Google DNS, I have OpenDNS, and I have authoritative. We also have local DNS. So you can go through the information and use it for whatever purpose you intend using it for. This is all about it. Thank you so much for watching.